Hello, it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing slash review of the Shugo Chara Lock and Key, and it says that that's what's in the package, and I've already opened it up with some scissors, but haven't looked inside yet. So, oh, that actually, oh gosh, this is definitely, this is really bootleg looking. Okay, let's see, hopefully, wow, hopefully it's good.